We're back to another 10-minute period. It looks like it's two 10-minute periods and 1:12. Here comes Xander Fodeman. Xander Fodeman made a move to the inside, got stopped by the defense. Trying to knife through there. This puck is going to be brought up in the zone. Nice move by 91. Oh, that was danger. Arlo Augusto gather this puck up, get out of danger. Push the puck up to Elagos. Elagos cannot handle that and go forward. Here comes Xander. The Z-Man. Gonna go to the outside. Defense is chasing him. Can he set up a centering pass? He will. Nobody's there though. Good move by Elagos. Good play. Stay alive. Staying alive was Fodeman, but he got knocked down there. Can see some physicality coming pretty soon. We're early in the second period with 8:55 left. 2-1 Traverse City for this title. Killer Bees Tournament Championship. There's that FLA-CHS kid. He's great. Gotta watch this guy. The speed, the move. What a goal! That was a goal right out of a highlight reel, ladies and gentlemen. It's Flakes, whatever his name is. He's a great hockey player. And we'll move on to the face-off with a 2-2 tie. Pichel, one of the goal scorers in the game. Polk checks that away. Tries to stay in the zone. The Orange Crush is coming up the ice. If there's one player that Big Rapids wants to stop, it's number 19, Drew Charlin. And if there's one player we want to stop who's really on fire, it's FLA-CHS, Flax or Flakes. Cool hockey player he is. And we got an icing. With 7:55 left in the second period. That puck is shot from out. Harbor Morrow pushed that puck forward. Charlin, great move to the inside. Speed to the outside. Is he going to set someone up with a center pass? He'll try. No way there. Good defense. 71 will pitchfork this out of the zone. Kusterman could have got the puck, did not make it to him. That puck will go down no, they're going to wave it off. There will be no ICING on that one. They have waved it off. All right. There goes Rodenroth. Shot to the back of the boards. Oh, 99's going to get this puck. He's a great little hockey player. Nice move to the inside. We're going to have a chance for the Big Rapids Ice Dogs again. Shot on goal coming. Chance. Stone just stood there like a wall and said, I'm not afraid of you. That puck didn't even get on net. All right. That puck will go in the corner. Joel Plamondon. And enough sides. Ladies and gentlemen, as Def Leppard plays in the background, that is some classic Def Leppard. The song is called Wasted. I don't know what that song has to do with hockey, but who knows? Maybe the referees. Oh, that's a rough play. Are we going to have a penalty? Arlo Augusta got a little hot, and he'll go to the penalty box. A little heated did Arlo Augusta get. And we will go to a face-off. One man down. The Ice Dogs will be on the man advantage trying to take the lead in this hockey game. A shot by Rodenroth. That puck went to the goaltender's glove. Nice move there. Here comes, I bet you that's FLA-CHS again. Oh, rebounds are there. Sawyer Stone lost that one for a second. We got another penalty. Who's that on? Are we going to be down 2 man?
Yeah.
Wow. Traverse City's going down 2 man. There's a 2-man advantage. You don't see this in hockey very often in this level. We'll go to the face-off, and we'll keep Mr. Flax away from that puck, hopefully. Ladies and gentlemen, there's 2 minutes up on the clock, and there's a minute and 36 seconds of a 2-man advantage. Stone barely found that puck. That puck is shot from outside as well. That puck needs to get out of the zone. Uh-oh, Flax. Nice save by Stone. Sawyer, the stone wall, stands tall again. Klusterman's got to get out of this zone. Puck will not make it, though. Guerin's going to try to get out of the zone. That puck will scale around the boards and not make it out. Oh, what a shot that was. Pichel. Shots are ringing out, ladies and gentlemen, but saves are being made from the Stone man. Here comes Andrew Fogelman. Nice moves, but good defense.
Get back, get back.
Pass over. Shot. Stone will handle that one as well. Power play's looking good for Big Rapids. Uh-oh, look who's got the puck. Oh, it's lost. Xander Fogelman needs to go.
Behind you, Calvin behind you.
He's just going to shoot that puck on. Oh, that wasn't Xander. That was George Guerin. Uh-oh. Good play by George Guerin to gobble that puck up on the power play, or short-handed, but this puck will be pushed back out to Perrock. Moves that puck over to the sideboards. Pass over to Pichel, just missed. Power play still on. It's a 1-man advantage for the next 7 seconds. Flax, nice move by Flax. What's he gonna do here? He's gonna go around the net. Lost it for a second, but a center pass. Here comes a Drew Charlin. What a move that was. Nice move by Charlin again. Kicks that puck up. He's going to be in. The show is on again. Alec Goss is there to put that puck home. Alec Goss is in the right spot at the right time. And we have a 3-2 hockey game. Sometimes it's about being alert and ready and standing ready in the right position next to the net. That's exactly what number 13 did. And it's 3-2 for Traverse City. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't believe I'm saying this, but it is hot in here. I've not said that all year. It's hot in this ice arena. I'm about ready to burn up. They got some kind of crazy heater going above, and I'm burning up like I'm in the sun. Charlin around the back. That puck will be pushed up. Number 17 is going to grab it and push over. Nice pass over. Cleaning this up will be Arlo Augusta, who just pushed that player down. That was a dirty play. We got to be careful with those. Here it comes. No penalty being called there, and Harbor Moore's working hard as well. Joel Pomonda's coming in. He's going to make a move as well. Shot. That puck will go to the outside. A shot will come to the center. Good defense there. To the outside. Up the ice will come Big Rapids. They'll just put the puck in the zone and go. Dump and chase. 1:40 left in the second period. It is a 3-2 hockey competition. The Orange Crush is on top. What a hockey game. Arlo Augusta gathers that puck up. That puck will go behind the net. Oh, Al Goss had a chance, but that puck will come out. Nice hockey stop by Kusterman. Wow, gets through the D. A shot from a mile away. And that's exactly where it ended up. Yeah! Al Goss puts that puck on net. And who was it that put the puck home? Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that was Xander Foreman who gobbled up that rebound. Alex shot the puck from far out. Xander Foreman gobbled up that rebound in front of the net. And it's a 4-2 hockey game. Do not count out Big Rapids. They will not quit. Under a minute to go. Here comes Big Rapids. Boosterman to the outside. Yeah, he's fine. Wow, what a chance that was. Rodenruth. Rodenroth. Sorry, Grandpa. And that will be the end of the second period with a 4-2 lead. The Orange Crush will go talk about how they can put this game away. And we will pause it for the next period. This is Razor Sharp Hockey Network.